Are you trying to increase your Cash App borrow limit but don't see an option to change it? You're not alone. And today, I'll explain exactly how Cash App decides your limit, what you can do to raise it, and what mistakes to avoid so you get approved for higher limits faster. Stick with me until the end because these tips could make the difference between getting a small limit or a much bigger one. First, let's check your current limits, open the latest version of Cash App, sign in, and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Limits, and here you'll see all your limits, small, including your borrow limit. Now, here's the important part. There's no button or setting to manually increase this limit. It's fully automated. Cash App reviews your account reputation and adjusts your limits automatically over time. So, how do you build a strong account reputation? Here are the key steps. Stay active. Use Cash App regularly for payments, transfers, and deposits. Repay on time. Always pay back your borrow amount before or on the due date. Link your bank and card. This validates your account and shows you're a real active user. Verify your account. Make sure your Cash App is fully verified. This is crucial. Over time, consistent activity and responsible borrowing lead to automatic increases. Think of it like building credit. The better your track record, the higher your limit becomes. You can contact customer support if you have questions, but they can't manually raise your limit. They might give you an idea of where your account stands and when to expect a review, but ultimately it's all about your activity and reputation. So there you have it. Increasing your Cash App borrow limit is all about building trust with the platform. Keep your account active, repay on time, and stay patient while Cash App automatically evaluates your profile. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more quick finance tips. And let me know in the comments if you've seen your borrow limit go up recently. I'd love to hear your experience.